This dance starts with weight on the left. We're going to start by walking forward on the right. So you're going to do walk, walk, and then you're going to do a lock step, then rock forward on your left. When you come back, as soon as that foot comes down, you're going to sweep with your right, sweep with the left into a coaster step, weight on your left, do a quarter turn, take that left foot and touch behind. You can also look behind and snap is what the step sheet says. You're then going to do a quarter turn step this way, half turn, then you're going to do a half turn shuffle with your left foot forward. You're going to bring this leg around over, then you're going to step out with your left, then you're going to do a behind side cross, rock left, then a behind side cross this direction, or behind side step forward. Then you're going to pivot. Then you're going to get ready to do a back turning shuffle. So you want to make sure your foot's kind of going that way because you're going to do this shuffle. And then you're going to do another straight shuffle back on your left. And then you're going to step back on your right into beginning of dance, walk, walk again.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8.